guys! I'm going to show you how I cook my own version of Tom Kha Gai. It's a chicken soup with coconut milk. Here I have water, and since I don't have chicken broth, I'm using this to add more flavor. So into this, I'm gonna put probably tablespoon, just a tablespoon. My water is already hot. Mix that one in. Get everything. In here I have some chicken. I'm gonna add that into here. Cook it first. So that to a boil. I'm gonna cover it. Oh, while I'm waiting for this to boil, we'll show you what's going to put inside. So tomatoes, kaffir leaves, I already removed the hard part, and lemongrass, galanga, already sliced, and some onions. I have here lime, some chilies, and mushrooms. That's the only mushroom I have in hand. Fish sauce, I think, and a little bit of sugar. I think my water is already boiling. I'm going to add my tomatoes. Lemongrass, and galanga, and the onions. Let that boil, cover it. Hey, now it's boiling. Tomatoes is all nice and soft. I'm gonna add coconut milk. Got cream inside. Let's go check it out. Mix it, stir it. Now I'm gonna add kaffir leaves, and the chilies. I love the smell. I'm gonna add fish sauce, lime juice, one more. I'm only gonna put one for now. See if I need some more. I'm gonna taste it. Add a little bit of sugar first. I'm gonna taste it, see if I need more salt. Oh yes, some more salt and more lime. Some more lime. I think I'm gonna end up using 2. Lime. This soup is perfect right now because it is cold out. It's a one cold day today. Let's begin. A little bit more of sugar and some salt. You can add some more fish sauce, but I think I'm just gonna stick with salt. Ooh, almost there. Okay, here is my mushrooms. That's the only mushroom I got. I wish I have more. So put it in there. And here I have cilantro. Now I'm gonna add it on in. I love cilantro. I love the smell of it. I love the combination of this. And should be just like that. I think. A little bit more. There you go. Okay, my soup is ready. That's my soup. And it's perfect with rice right now. Thanks for watching.